Better not taking my money. Could have got an orange little guy. Okay, let's go get a Patriot or Packer or somebody. How good the Colts? No, isn't that? I know, New Orleans. I don't know. I'm not good at baseball. I gotta be fair, and I need to play for my machine now. Sweet, all three of you just spent a prize. Look, it's slime, my favorite color too. Got these from the beach. Let's go. See, Dad? This is what I get at the beach. And that's why I have to play this one in honor of the beach.
Oh, yeah, this is the beach store.
Oh, yeah, Safeway?
Yeah, right here by me then. I'm not moving.
You can just film it, right?
Here we go, right? I don't know. Who do you think? Let me see it. Ooh. I don't know.
Pick one, Jack. Who do you think it's gonna be, Mom?
Out of these ones?
Hey, all my bags are packed up.
This one.
Who is that? The guy with a mustache or something?
I don't know what that is.
Remember what you
Oh,
said.
I think it'll be
You're still on the air, Dad?
definitely dinosaur guy.
I can't remember who you said.
That's
okay?
what it was.
I'm gonna guess a turtle, I guess, or a zebra.
Let's play the weakest link. Start the clock. Adam, according to the famous tagline, with the name on Smuckers, it has to be correct.
Okay, Dad, did you say anybody?
No, I did not.
A whoopee cushion, which one's
Pick one.
correct?
Yeah, I might need someone's help to get this.
The cushion.
Correct. Let's see. After giving up on his presidential bid in 2020 and
Okay, let's go right here.
mayor of what city in 2021?
The lion?
Yep.
Okay, keep I just need to.
March 31st is recognized as a holiday to honor what Latino labor leader and civil rights
Where the keys were?
Yeah.
This one's bent.
I know. Don't use that one though.
Which one?
The bent one.
The car keys?
No, use like a shed key. A little screen door key.
Gymnastic fundamentals for what subscription streaming service whose slogan is learn from the best.
You don't have to do it, Tim, so I'm going to take the TV.
What is the name of the longest
Remember what you said, okay, guys?
No, Yangtze. Nadine.
I need a knife. Rick, you got a knife on you?
I do.
I'm just gonna use a knife, dude. I forgot this duck.
Court Justice earned the nickname Notorious RBG. Repeat again, correct. Grace. Introduced in 1900, what was the name of the first mass market handheld roll film camera made by Kodak? Polaroid. No, Brownie. This match or this castle, which was the setting for the TV show Downton Abbey?
Rick's gonna unbox it. Now it looks like a ball from Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
For my ball. Remember who you said? Did anybody say an elephant?
Oh, he's cute. Let me see.
I guess I'm going to the sewer tomorrow.
Where'd you get him at?
Sewer? Sewer Bible Bookstore, John.
I'll take him.
Thank you. Well, I'm going back tomorrow anyway. See that?
Yeah, okay, I start now.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna come back. See it? You're stupid and everything. $100 bill. They just give me $100. We should just buy all of them. Wanna go back tomorrow, Eddie?
Oh, he is cute.
You can do what you want now, Dad. Thanks.